happening, Dafties? We're back with a new video, and well, it's an unboxing. It's in the title. It's the Supreme Air Force 1 in the white. If you've seen my live cop, if you've not seen it, sorry, go watch it. I'll link it in the description below, where you'll see me cop the AF1 Supreme in the white on a restock like 6 minutes in. But I'll put it in the description below if you've not seen it, go watch it. But firstly, before we start, if you guys want to leave a like and subscribe, that would be so helpful, as well as if you guys want to follow my Instagrams at Jack_Nisbet and Diabetus_shoes. So firstly, let's just get the box. Oh right, so we have the box here. It's just a black Nike box with the Supreme box logo on the side. I'll quickly show you. So you've got it on the side here, as well as the side here. You've got the sizing chart and all the information on the front as well. So I got mine in a size 9 because that's what I am in Air Forces, and well, as you can see, there's a bunch of them. We're going to unbox them using a top-down view, which I will cut to right now. So here we have the unboxing. The shoes are right there. They're there. So it's just a Nike box with the Supreme branding on the side. This is on both sides of it, with the label, etc., with the sizing and information on the front. As you can see, this is the other side of the box as well. So opening up the box, you pull this tab tab up, and then you pull the box out of this. Here it is. We have the Nike Supreme branded wrapping paper. Just a clean look. Oh, and there it is. There it is. Supreme Air Force 1 in the white. Just a casual, clean look. Clean silhouette in general, but it's all white with the Supreme embossed logo at the outside, at the back of the upper. Inside you have the red Supreme branded laces, so this will match with the box logo. I probably will just keep the white ones in the now, but this is a shout for the future maybe. Let's get back onto the shoe. So it's a clean leather upper, very good quality, with the Nike Air embroidered into the back. Again, just the clean leather upper, clean toe box, with the Air Force 1 and Supreme brand tag here. You've got the Nike Air on the tongue as well, with the normal laces. And inside, you have the Supreme logo embossed again, I think. Slightly embossed but printed on, and then the Nike label next to that as well. On the inside, the material is a wee bit strange. It's like a soft lining compared to like the other Air Forces, which is actually quite a nice touch. It makes them very comfortable. You've got the tag as well in the inside. That's the shoe there. The only thing we can do now is cut to me talking more about the shoe, and then eventually showing you them on foot. So let's go to it. So as you've just seen from the unboxing, it's just a casual white Air Force. And there's nothing wrong with that, like the silhouette is just such a classic that there's generally nothing wrong with it. Got the Nike Air on the back and then embroidered. On the inside there's nothing. Again, with the toe box at the front, everything's the same. Then if you come to the right or the outside of the shoe, you'll have the small Supreme box logo. It's just a classic silhouette. Adding something similar with a classic box logo, there's generally nothing you can really go wrong with it. It keeps it slick, it keeps it clean, and it just kind of adds an accent of red, which works with it. So it is embossed, so I think that should stay on. It shouldn't come off, it shouldn't rub off really easily. I'm hoping so. But the leather quality isn't just perfect. There's literally nothing wrong. Like, Air Forces are one of the most popular general release styles there has been, but then you've got hype releases such as like the off-white faults, the off-white blacks, off-white whites. You've got 3 Travis Scott styles that came out. It's just a classic silhouette, but there's so much can be done with it, and they're just extremely popular, and like, you can completely see why, because they are such a nice silhouette. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut to an on-foot view, and we're going to be showing them off just on foot. I'll wear like black cargos or something with it. It just kind of, that's all you need is kind of, these fit best, I feel, is when you like show a bit of sock and you cuff whatever you're wearing up. So if you're wearing jeans, if you cuff them up a wee bit, show a bit of sock. If it's white socks, and then you've got the Air Forces on the bottom, it looks clean. So let's cut to that and then we'll be back for the outro. So thank you guys for staying for another unboxing / review, especially of a hyped release such as the Supreme Air Force 1s. But if you didn't get yours, I think they'll be releasing on sneakers this Saturday. If not, you've got a chance throughout the season because they are going to be dropping some weeks or restocking some weeks, etc. So don't be disheartened if you didn't get them this week. You will have a chance, and I don't think they'll be too far above retail after the season ends because there is going to be an abundance of them. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching that live cop, and I got again like 8 subs off it, so that's insane. Generally, thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Alright, all I can say is thank you. If you guys want to like and subscribe, that generally would be I'd appreciate it so much. Follow my Instagrams at Jack_Nisbet and Diabetus_shoes, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.